Tired of feeling sluggish and unhealthy? You're not alone. It's time to ditch the junk and fuel your body with Superfoods, nature's powerhouses, packed with nutrients. Get ready to upgrade your diet and transform your health. First up, blueberries. These little guys are bursting with antioxidants, ready to fight off those nasty free radicals. Think of them as tiny ninjas, defending your cells and keeping you in top form. Blueberries are also brain food, sharpening your focus and memory. Ditch the sugary snacks and grab a handful of these blue wonders. Next, leafy greens, spinach to be precise. Fresh spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients like iron, vitamin K, and magnesium. We're talking strong bones, powerful muscles, and energy levels that would make a marathon runner jealous. Get yourself some spinach. Now let's talk about salmon. We're talking about high-quality omega-3 packed salmon that'll do wonders for your body. These healthy fats are superheroes for your heart, reducing inflammation and giving you glowing skin. Look as good as you feel. Avocados. Those creamy, delicious fruits deserve all the hype they get. Loaded with healthy fats, they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Avocados are brain food too, supporting cognitive function. Indulge in some avocado toast. Your body will thank you. Quinoa. It's not just trendy, it's been fueling civilizations for centuries. This ancient grain is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Quinoa will keep you full and energized, providing essential nutrients. Ditch the bland rice and pasta. Quinoa is here to revolutionize your plate. Chia seeds. Small seeds, big impact. These tiny titans pack a nutritional punch with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or make a delicious chia pudding. These little seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Forget those bland white potatoes. Sweet potatoes are bursting with vitamin A, crucial for healthy vision and a strong immune system. Roast them, mash them, or turn them into fries. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and versatile way to boost your nutrient intake. Almonds are the ultimate snack food. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Almonds are great for your heart, brain, and skin. Ditch the chips and candy bars and reach for a handful of almonds instead. Green tea. Sip your way to wellness. This ancient beverage is loaded with antioxidants, promoting overall wellness. It's also known for its metabolism-boosting properties, making it great for shedding a few pounds. Ditch the sugary drinks and make green tea your new go-to beverage. Dark chocolate. Indulge in guilt-free goodness. Yes, chocolate can be good for you. We're talking about dark chocolate, the kind that's at least 70% cacao. Dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants and linked to improved heart health and brain function. Indulge in a square or two. Your body will thank you. There you have it, 10 superfoods that'll transform your health. Now stop making excuses, it's time to take control of your diet. Which superfood are you going to add to your shopping list first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking.